Hi everyone, hope you're very well. What I'm just doing here at the moment is I'm just going to roll this piece of clay out with my hands basically, rather than using a rolling pin. So I'm going to use the weight of the clay itself and actually sort of make myself a slab. I don't know if you've seen me do this before, but I thought I'd just take you through the technique. So all I'm doing at the moment is I've got myself some clay that I've wedged. I'm using my hand just to sort of flatten it out just a little bit, and I'm also using the side of the table just to sort of keep it in shape really. So I just pat down either side, giving it a bit of sort of shape before I start to sort of work it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the clay and I'm going to drag it across the surface. So as I do that, I release the clay and pull it against the surface of the table, and I'm going to do the same again towards me, and then again. And I keep the clay turning every single time I sort of take the clay and push it down. And then again, I'm going to go the opposite way this time. So I'm flicking the clay out, turning it around and pulling it towards me. And what that's giving me is a nice slab of clay. And the second, I'm going to turn into a pot. And voila! One slab of clay. Take care.